Hello lead and hello jury. I am Rishikesh of grade 8 of Sant Kabir School, Vadodara, and this is my video presentation of my template. I had to give a title to my lead journey and I have given the title Making of Wizard as our first virtual lead camp was Wand of Leadership. What does leadership means to me? Leadership means to me guiding towards the path, giving heart and soul to govern, teamwork, managing, organizing, achieving and logic. We had to do 6 virtual action on challenge and that were making a wand of yourself, making a vision board, making 3 toys, helping in kitchen, making the world a better place and the social action. My wand, the power in me. My wand is the wand of ambition. Its symbols is a crown and it is covered with stars. And the power of my wand are self-confidence, faith and trust, and I can and I will do it attitude. My vision board, what I want to be. My vision board, these are my pics of vision board and I want to be an engineer and the skills I require for that are meticulous. I have to be meticulous and I can be that by being systematic and detail oriented. I have to be analytical and I can be that by being observant and developing problem solving skills. I have to be passionate and I will be passionate by getting the in-depth knowledge regarding the task. I have to be organized by cultivating the habit of making schedules and deadlines. And I have to be, of course, curious by asking questions and find how things work. Stretch your imagination. These are my 3 toys. One is an alien whose name is JS2W118. The middle photo is of his spaceship, that is SpaceX 112. And the third photo is of the game I have made, that is Magnetic Football. The toys I have made are one alien, one spaceship and one magnetic football arena. The resources I utilized to make the toys were aluminium foil, colored tape, 4 containers, scale, an old small bat, old game board, glue, paint and 4 magnets. Helping in kitchen. I helped in kitchen by doing the tasks that were cutting vegetables, cooking and garnishing. It was a very nice experience. I learned much things that were new and made my family members happy. I got many feedbacks like being patient and being observant and I used them for the lead program. Let's make a world better place. I chose in Let's Make a World Better Place, we have to take a problem and find solutions. The problem that I thought was a great problem was animal cruelty. It is a major issue and it states that animals are not treated well and they should be treated equally. All animals should be treated equally and they are a part of our ecosystem and humans don't care for them and all animals should be treated as we treat dogs and cats. We treat dogs and cats a better way but other animals we cruelly neglect them as a ecosystem. We should also protect them equally. After the major issue of animal cruelty is solved, the world will be a better place for both animals and humans and we all can live together. Then animals will not be afraid of humans and humans will not be afraid of animals and the earth will act like a heaven and rainforest destruction will be less and we can prevent climatic change and future and epidemics and pandemics. Actions I will take to make stop animal cruelty are request people to be vegan. I can take sessions and post on social media, and I will utilize expert professional and access to social media. Uh, I will respect and care for animals and keep water and food in front of my house and in backyard. And I will require time and utensils. And I will take care during natural or other disaster, providing the animal shelter during floods and contacting animal homes if needed. And I will need a house and a mobile phone. The social action. The social action was um, this animal cruelty only. I conducted research on the topic of animal cruelty and I told people to go vegan. I referred the internet and collected data from books, and I shared videos and photos in social media posts. Overall details, I reached almost 219 people and I spent 10 days on it, and amount spent was hardly 50 rupees. And the challenges I faced were, we all know due to this pandemic I was not able to go out, so I had lack of materials and I was not able to use social media first, but now I am able to use. And cutting vegetables with a knife that was not much sharp was a big challenge. And when I was cooking, the heat given out by the stove was also a challenge to me. Overall learnings, I learned that being patient is a great thing. Working with less materials can also work. Like first I thought that I have to use many materials, but due to this pandemic I worked with lack of materials, but then also my action on challenge was completed. I thought I learned how to use social media for a good cause. I learned that animals are important. I learned my qualities. I learned the work to be done, and I learned how to multitask. The skills utilized by Weave was patience, organized, passion, curiosity, multitasking, analytical ability, and listening. And I would describe my leadership journey that it was truly a good experience with lead. This pandemic also in this pandemic also they took out a way conducting online sessions and such challenges that could be done sitting in our homes. We got to know the skills that we need and when to apply them. Also the six wands of leadership and the color band. I got to know how to work with minimum resource. The lead journey till now was very good and may it go same way in the future. Thank you.